The Celestron StarSense AutoAlign Model XXX is a game changer for Celestron telescope users as it automatically aligns the GoTo system in less than 3 minutes without any user input. This accessory is perfect for beginners who can let the telescope align itself without the need to identify or locate a single star in the sky. Advanced observers and astroimagers will appreciate the advanced mount modeling feature that aligns on numerous stars across the sky for extremely precise GoTo pointing accuracy. The StarSense AutoAlign includes a StarSense camera that captures images of star patterns overhead and the exclusive StarSense hand control, which calculates the telescope's position based on data from the camera. It is compatible with all current Celestron computerized mounts except LCM, and many older mounts, making it a versatile addition to your telescope accessories. With its purchase, you get a 2-year U.S. warranty and unlimited support from Celestron, a leading telescope brand in California since 1960.